Welcome to my video about Piggy House, but better, I'm gonna talk about this map while there's gameplay of it in the background. 1. The crouching is bugged, but that isn't that big of a deal. 2. Penny is also bugged and she is just stuck in the kitchen, as you're going to see later. 3. There's no ending cutscene. But that's it for the negatives. Now, let's get to the positive stuff. 1. The little details are great. For example, the clothes in the green key room. It always looked very empty. But now it has a reason to be there. Outside of the red key. 2. Distorted memory. I always thought about how Georgie just saw these new rooms in his house. Now it makes sense because the rooms actually exist. It's the same deal with distraction. Also, how he designed the places to seem more real made a lot of sense in my opinion. 3. Crouch holes. You know how when you play house, there's always people camping in the basement because there's a vent. Well, Piggy, but better, fixes this issue. The vent in the kitchen is gone, and the vent in the basement is a hallway big enough for Piggies to fit. Well, I have nothing more to say. Overall, the highs outweigh the lows. So, this chapter was an 8.5 out of 10 for me. That's it for today. Have a good day.